30 seconds. Okay, the speaker has to wrap up, okay, by 5 minutes 30 seconds. If the speaker speaks more than 5 minutes 30 seconds, then there will be a negative marking. The more seconds the speaker spends over here beyond 5 minutes 30 seconds, there will be more -1. Yes, ma'am? Okay, so that is the rule. You've got to be within the rule. So,
students, without any further ado, we would like to call our first participant, Klinisha Acharya from grade 880, representing Blue House.
Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. With this, namaskar, good afternoon, and greetings and salutations to everyone present here. My respected panel of judges, the teachers, my seniors, and my competitors, and my housemasters, a dear good afternoon. This is me, Klinisha Acharya from grade 882, representing the Blue House, and today I would want to present my thoughts on this topic, should exams define a student's future? Well, imagine spending an entire year learning, growing, asking questions, striving and thriving, but then being judged on the basis of a 3-hour exam. Is that completely fair? Absolutely not. Should that one exam be the deciding factor in your journey? Think about it. So, as I said, today I want to explore a very controversial topic that affects every single one of us students. Exams, and should exams define a student's future or a student's failure? So let's start. Let's start with what most of the exams actually measure. Most of the exams test how well students can memorize stuff and recall information under time pressure. But does the ability to memorize a textbook page really reflect your knowledge? Obviously not. Think about it. How many times have you crammed the night before a test, passed it, and then suddenly forgotten everything a week later? Are we testing knowledge or just short-term memory? Now, here's another truth. Not all exams should define a student's or reflect a student's understanding capability or their knowledge. Like, are we just testing knowledge or just short-term memory? Now, here's another truth. Not all of the students are same. Some students learn best by doing, others by watching, and others by listening. Exams, on the other hand, assume that everyone performs well in the same high-pressure, time-limited settings. Would you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree? Absolutely not. As I said, but real life isn't even based on exams. Like, a future designer might not know how to solve their math problems or might struggle with their math exams, but can create incredible things with their hands. A future entrepreneur might not write the best essays, but can think creatively, lead, and innovate. Why then do we define everyone's future using the same tool, exams and grades? Would you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, as I said? So, let's be honest. Most of the successful people on this world weren't even exam table toppers. Like Steve Jobs had dropped out of college. Oprah Winfrey faced academic challenges. Richard Branson struggled with dyslexia. Yet, all of them have a prosperous future and a flourishing destiny. As I said, what they had wasn't a perfect exam record. It was vision, passion, purpose, persistence, determination, and creativity. So, these all are the qualities no exam can fully measure. Why do we let test scores define us and our students' potential when the world rewards so much more? Now, let me be honest. I'm not even saying exams are completely useless. They can show how well a student has grasped the subject and help with standardized comparisons. But they should just be one part of a bigger picture. The picture that includes projects, portfolios, participation, communication, and collaboration. We should rebuild a system that recognizes multiple talents, multiple diverse learning styles, and the true potential that lies beyond the paper. Now, exams should not define the students. You know, you overlook students too many times. Like, you always judge them based on their exams. Like, if someone fails, you will always criticize them. Success is based on education. It is not. Most of the successful people, as I said in the starting, most of the successful people weren't exam table toppers. And I gave many examples. Now, in conclusion, I would like to say we should rethink how we measure success in education. Like, we should value effort, originality, growth as much as we value grades, and test scores in exams. Like, we should build a system that recognizes multiple talents, diverse learning styles, and originality, creativity, as much as the value test scores. Now, saying this, I would like to leave you with the final question: if we continue to let a single paper decide everyone's worth and everyone's future, how many brilliant minds might we overlook? Thank you. This was me, Klinisha Acharya, from grade 8A2.